Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I'm your host Vishakha Thakur. So it's Monday, the day we bring you latest updates from the Main Street, a bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. Well, we have collated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and also benefit from the action taking place in the space and find out which crypto token is going to be benefited from today's deals. So let's get started. Ripple is buying Rail, a stablecoin payments platform, for $200 million. The Rail acquisition is a way for Ripple to delve deeper into the fast-growing stablecoin ecosystem after launching its RLUSD stablecoin. Well, RLUSD has a market cap of over $600 million, placing it in the top largest stablecoins according to data tracked by CoinMarketCap. Now, Rail's capabilities include virtual accounts and automated back-office systems, enabling customers to transact in digital assets without the need to open dedicated crypto bank accounts or wallets on exchanges. The deal is likely to close in the fourth quarter of this year. So the integration of Rail's infrastructure could attract institutional flows, enhancing on-chain volumes. If adoption momentum sustains post-quarter 4 deal closure, analysts see XRP testing $4 to $4.20 in the medium term. Moving on, the Thiel-backed digital asset exchange Bullish has raised its IPO target to $990 million. It is aiming for a $4.8 billion NYSE debut amid surging crypto investor demand. Now, the company plans to sell 30 million shares priced between $32 and $33 each, according to a filing with the US SEC. The revised offering size is nearly 57% higher than the initial $629 million target announced earlier this month. The Cayman Island-based firm is scheduled to debut on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BLSH. So the bullish IPO comes as cryptocurrency-related companies ride a wave of strong investor demand. The Trump administration's supportive stance towards the industry has encouraged more firms to go public through IPOs, mergers, or reverse takeovers. Moving on to the next important deal of the week, Bakkt, the technology firm that went all in on crypto, has signed a deal to acquire nearly one-third of Japanese trading company Marusho Hotta, in a move that could signal a broader international Bitcoin strategy for US-based digital asset platform, the company said in a press release on Wednesday. So under the agreement, Rizap Group Bakkt will acquire roughly 30% of the Tokyo-listed company, positioning itself as Marusho Hotta's largest shareholder. Pending shareholder approval, Marusho Hotta will be renamed Bitcoin.jp, aligning its brand with its new Bitcoin-centric direction, the company said. Bakkt has also secured the domain Bitcoin.jp as part of the deal. Moving on to the next important deal, a digital asset manager, Parataxis Holdings, is officially going public through a SPAC deal with SilverBox Corp 4, confirming earlier plans to list. The new entity will be called Parataxis Holdings and aims to trade under the ticker PRTX on the New York Stock Exchange. At a $10 share price, the deal values combined company at $400 million, with potential to double that figure if Parataxis exercises the right to raise an additional $400 million through a share purchase agreement. So about $31 million has already been raised and earmarked for purchasing Bitcoin, giving future shareholders immediate exposure to the asset. Unlike firms that simply hold Bitcoin, Parataxis seeks to generate income through low volatility trading and treasury-style operations. If successful, Parataxis could become one of the few publicly traded companies offering direct and active exposure to Bitcoin outside of an ETF structure. Moving on, Tether has invested $35 million in Spanish crypto exchange Bit2Me, acquiring a minority stake in it and joining major investors including Telefónica, BBVA, and Unicaja with stakes in the firm. The investment will help Bit2Me expand its presence in Latin America, particularly in Argentina, where it has a virtual asset service provider license. The deal follows Bit2Me's authorization under the EU's MiCA license approval, allowing it to operate across the European Union. At the term of deal, including the exact size of Tether's stake and Bit2Me's new valuation, have not been disclosed yet. So that's all in this episode of Deal Corner. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3osTV.com or scan the QR code.